If Excel confuses you, this video will make it simple in the next 25 minutes. By the end, you'll create your own mini sales dashboard. Excel is simply a tool that organizes numbers into rows and columns so you can calculate and analyze them easily. Let's enter some sample data. Each column is one type of information, like date, product, sales, and quantity. Excel is just doing organized math. For example, equals average finds the middle value, and equals count totals the cells. Let's sort by highest sales. Now, filter by product. Businesses use this to find top performers and product trends quickly. Let's create a simple chart. First, I'll highlight the data. Next, I'll insert a bar chart. Now we can see which product sells the most. This is how analysts start building dashboards, with total sales, best product, and a chart. Most people think Excel is complicated, but let me show you what Excel is really doing. In simple terms, Excel is simply a tool that organizes numbers into rows and columns so your brain doesn't have to stress. Each box is called a cell. Imagine you run a small business. Every day, you write how much you sell. How much did I make this week? Which day sold the most? Which day sold the least? This is where Excel comes in. Now you can clearly see Friday sold the most. So instead of guessing, you now know Fridays are strong, so maybe you stock more goods before Friday. When you tell Excel to add, it adds instantly. When you ask for average, it calculates. When you want to sort from highest to lowest, it rearranges everything in seconds. And if you want to see patterns, Excel turns your numbers into charts. Now you can clearly see Friday sold the most. Excel is not scary, it's just organized math. And once you understand this, data analysis becomes easier. So to recap, we learned about data entry, creating charts, and building dashboards. These are the powerful tools that turn your data into real insights. If you want to become a data analyst, subscribe to Rosemond Analytics. Next, we'll learn Excel formulas that actually get you hired.